Good morning, students. Come to the class number 26. 26th class this one of trigonometric functions. Now let us see the students. We have calculated the some 3 marks and 5 marks questions, examples on this compound angle, that sum and difference formula and the product formula. Let us will calculate some more examples on these sum and difference. See, let us recall first the formulas. Sin C plus sin D, first sin, then cos. Let us recall the formulas. First sin, then cos. Sin C minus sin D, first cos, then sin, first cos, then sin. Cos C plus cos D, both cos, cos C minus cos D, both sin with negative sign. Both sign with negative sign. So these are the 4 formulas. Sum and difference in terms of product formulas. You know product in terms of sum and difference. Sum and difference in terms of product. Let us see product in terms of sin x into cos y, or sin A into cos B, or sin C into cos D. Like that also you may write in the formulas here. Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. 1/2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Cos x into sin y. Difference. Sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. Difference it is. Sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y. Cos x into cos y, 1/2 into cos x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Cos x plus y plus of cos of x minus y. Sin x into sin y, minus 1/2 into cos x plus y minus cos of x minus y. See, these formulas only here we have converted. Yeah, we have taken x plus y as a c, x minus y as a d. This 2 is cross multiplied. X as a c plus d by 2, y as a c minus d by 2. We have converted. We have transformed the formulas. The sum and difference in terms of product in terms of sum and difference. So let us will go for some examples today also. 5 marks and 3 marks questions here. Let us see the next question. We have discussed in the previous class some examples. Now next, prove that see the students, sin square of 6x minus sin square of 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin of 10x. Let us see this one. Sin 2x into sin of 10x. Taking LHS is equal to sin square 6x minus of sin square of 4x. LHS we have taken. You have to prove it product in the form of product. Sin 2x into sin of 10x. You don't have sin square c minus sin square d formula. You have only sin c minus sin d formula. You don't have in terms of squares. Yes, you have only sin c minus sin d. It is possible to apply here. You don't have in terms of squares, sin square c minus of sin square d. Clear all of you? This is what your LHS is. Sin square 6x minus of sin square 4x. You know, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Is it possible to expand? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You may expand this sin square 6x minus of sin square 4x. You expand here. Your LHS is sin 6x plus sin of 4x, a plus b. A is a sin 6x, b is a sin 4x into sin 6x minus of sin 4x. Here what? A is a sin 6x, b is a sin 4x. A square minus, you are one of the algebraic formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then we have get sin 6x plus sin 4x, sin 6x minus of sin 4x. You have the sin c plus sin d for sin c minus sin d for. Let us apply the formula here. First sin, take bracket, first sin 2 times of sin c plus d by 2. Here c is 6x, d is 4x, c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into the bracket sin c minus sin d. First cos then sin. First cos, what is first cos? 6c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, sin c plus sin d by 2. See, just we have expanded the formulas, the students here, according to, we have written in this form first, a plus b, a minus b. Then we have expanded first sin, then cos, first cos, then sin. Here expanded the formulas here. First sin, then cos, first cos, then sin. This is sin c minus sin d. Now, see the students, 2 into sin of 6x plus 4x by 2, 5x. Simplification, that is c plus d by 2 into cos of 6x minus 4x, 2x divided by 2, x it is, into cos of x, the next into the bracket 2 times of cos of 6x plus 4x, 10x divided by 2, 5x, 6x minus 4x, 2x divided by 2, x it is, sin of x, after the simplification here. Let us here, I will arrange the same angles one side, 5x one side and x one side. Shall I arrange here products? So these are the products here. So 2 into sin 5x into cos 5x. Is it possible to take? Then this 2 into, one more 2 2's are there here. Here I am arranging here, same angle one side. This 2 into sin x into this cos x. See the students here, is it clear? I think all of you? Yes, arranging same angle one side, 5x one side, x one side. 2 2's are there here. And now see what it becomes, 2 sin 5x cos 5x. 2 sin x cos x. You know very well, what is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Is it? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Clear all of you? Then what it becomes? 2 sin x into cos x. Is it a sin 2x? Then what this is becomes? Sin 5x. Is it becomes a sin 4 theta is equal to, see, 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Clear all of you? Yes. Sin 6 theta is equal to 2 sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta. Half of this angle. Then this is what? 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. Is it become sin of 10 theta? X it is. So, shall I write this is 2 sin of 5x into cos 5x? Shall I write 10x? Sin of 10x. This is 2 sin x into cos x, sin of 2x it is. So, therefore, this is equal to sin 10x into sin of 2x. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS, sin 2x into sin of 10x. Sin 10x into sin of 2x or sin 2x into sin of 10x. So this is your RHS here. Like that you have to expand this friends here. See the formulas here, what we have applied the formulas here. Here sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 4 theta, 2 sin theta into cos 2 theta, sin 6 theta, 2 sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta, sin 10x, 2 sin 5x into cos of 5x. Starting here we have applied this algebraic expression here, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. Like that here applying that formula and arranging the terms here. The next we will go for the next example. I hope you have completed this one, student. Let us same type try to calculate yourself. I will write the question. Same type. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Sin 4x into sin of 8x. Let us see the students. Sin 4x into sin of 8x. It is in terms of sin only, because that formula here, that multiple angles. Let us taking here also LHS. Let us try to calculate yourself, students. Simultaneously I will also calculate. You may also calculate simultaneously without seeing this video. Try to calculate yourself, friends. Sin square c minus cos square c minus cos square c minus cos square d. You don't have in terms of squares. Again this formula applying algebraic formula, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus of b. Let us expanding this one. Cos 2x plus cos 6x, cos 2x minus of cos 6x, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus of b, cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos of 2x minus of cos 6x, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. Apply the formula respectively. Cos c plus cos d, take bracket, both cos c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2 into c minus d by 2, both cos. Cos c minus cos d, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign. Cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. Same type expounded that previous example here. I hope you are completed, some of you have completed this problem, I think. This is 2 into cos of 8x by 2 4x into cos of minus of 2x minus of 6x minus 4x minus of 2x minus of 2x, close the bracket, into the bracket, minus 2 into sin of 8x by 2, it is 4x. Similarly here also minus of 4x minus 4x by 2 minus of 2x minus of 2x. Arranging the terms, friends, here 2 into cos 4x. What is cos of minus theta? You know very well, students. Cos of minus theta, sec of minus theta plus cos theta. What is sin of minus theta? Minus sin theta. So this is what cos of plus cos 2x. This becomes positive, minus 2 sin 4x. What is sin of minus theta? Sin of minus 2x. Minus sin 2x. Minus of sin 2x. So this is equal to 2 times of cos 4x, cos of 2x. This minus of minus becomes plus. 2 into, take the bracket, 2 into sine 4x into sine of 2x. Similarly, arrange the same angles one side. In the previous type, same angle one side, arranging here. 2 into sine 4x, first I will write sine 4x into cos 4x, same angle one side, 1 to this bracket and 1 to this multiple. Here 2 2's are there, 1 2 taking this multiples and this 1 2 remain as it is. 2 sine 2x, same angles, 2x angle one side writing, 4x angle one side taking here, products here, both are the products here. What is this becomes? 2 sine 4x into cos 4x, according to this your formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Sine 4 theta is equal to 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Like that, multiple angles. You may write 100 theta also. 3 theta by 2. Cos 3 theta by 2. In terms of half angles, what is this becomes? This is what? Sine of 8x. What is this becomes? This is of sine of 4x. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS. Sine 4x into sine of 8x. Sine 4x into sine of 8x. See the students, the same type, both the examples are same type, similar type. This is cos C plus cos D, that one sin C plus sin D. That is in terms of sine and this is in terms of cos. That both are same it is, that applying that formula and simplifying. I hope some of you have calculated directly. Then I will go for the next example, students. Let us see the next example. I will go for the next example. Now see the next example. See this one straight. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin of 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sine of 4x. 4 cos square x into sine of 4x. Taking LHS, sine 2x, 2 times of sine of 4x plus sine of 6x. You have to express in the form of products. Here sum of 3 terms, but it is 2 times of it is. Let us see the studies. Let us arranging the terms. Sin 6x I will take first, plus sine of 2x I will write as it is, plus 2 times of sine 4x as it is. It is 2 times of sine 4x. Let us making these two as a sin C plus sin D form. Making these two terms as a sin C plus sin D form. This is as it is, 2 times of sin 4x as it is. Apply here. First sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus of, this is sin C plus sin D expanded here, plus 2 sin 4x as it is, plus of 2 times of sin of 4x as it is. This is equal to 2 times of 6x plus 2x, 8x by 2, 4x it is, into cos 6x minus 2x, 4x, 4x by 2, 2x it is, plus 2 sin 4x, 2 sin of 4x. Or is there any term common here? 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x common here. Taking the common term, 2 sin 4x taking common here. What remain? Cos 2x plus 1 remain. Here you have a sin 4x you need. This is sin 4x you are getting. What you want? You see RHS, cos square you want, cos 2x. You have a formula cos 2x in terms of cos. Cos 2x in terms of cos. You write that formula, sin 4x equal to cos 2x. You have a different 4 formulas, cos square x, minus sin square x. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. So this is cos 2x. Cos 2x. So in terms of cos, substituting this formula, you want cos square. This minus 1 and this plus 1 also get cancelled. So 2 cos square x minus 1, this plus 1 as it is, this cos 2x formula substituted in terms of cos formula. Close the bracket. Here minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. Minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. See, sin 4x into cos square x. Or 4 cos square x into sin of 4x. This is your RHS. Is it your RHS? This is 2 sin 4x into cos square of x. 2 sin 4x into cos square x. This is your RHS, students. This is your RHS. This is RHS terms. Next, come to the next example, students. Let us will go for the next example. 3 terms, sum of the 3 terms here arranged 6x and 2x and this 2 sin 4x remain as it is. In that taken a common term here, then cos 2x here, formula applied here. Formula, we have applied the formulas here. Let us see the next example. Come to the next example. This is sin of 4x, 4 sin 4x into cos square of x. So next, come to the next one. Tan 3x, prove that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan of x. Let us see that. Straight. This is a different type example. It is not taking LHS or not taking RHS here. Let us see here. Solution. Let tan 3x is written as a, shall I write 2x plus x? Is it possible, right? Tan 2x is equal to 2x plus x here. So therefore, tan 3x is equal to, shall I exponent is tan of x plus y? What is tan of x plus y? Using this tan sum formula, tan x plus tan y divided by tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, 1 minus tan x into tan y. Expounding this tan 2x plus x in terms of tan of x plus y, tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan of x. What we have considered, tan 3x we have taken, that 3x we have splitted as a 2x plus x. This is tan of x plus y, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. See the students here, cross multiply. Cross multiplying tan 1 into tan 2x, 1 into tan x is equal to tan 3x into this product. Tan 3x into 1, tan 3x minus tan 3x into minus of tan 2x tan x, that is minus of tan 3x tan 2x tan of x, multiplying the products. Cross multiplication, ore gunakara. Yes, cross multiplication. Now let us arrange according to your requirement here. This minus term, taking this side, tan 3x products, it is tan 2x into tan of x. This tan 3x as it is. Let us taking these two terms that side, plus tan 2x, taking that side, minus tan 2x, plus tan x, taking that side, minus of tan x. This is our solution, friends. Either it is not taking LHS or not taking RHS here. Let us considering a 3x. tan 2x plus x. You may expand this example like that also, the students here. You may express tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x equal to, once asked in the examination CET and as well as theory also, tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. You may express like that. 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x. The next, tan 7x, tan 4x, tan 3x. He may 5x plus 2x also he may take. 4 and 3, you have to convert 4 and 3. Tan 7x minus tan 4x minus of tan 3x. Similarly, he may give like that also, the students. Same type taking. Here 5x, you have to write 5x in terms of 3x and 2x. Here 3x we have taken 2x and x. 3x we have taken as in terms of 2x. Here what 5x is taken as a 3x and 2x. You may prove. 7x can be taken as a 4x and 3x. 4x plus 3x. You may prove like that also. So this is what the tan of. Similarly, you may prove like that. Let us come to the next one example. Same type. In terms of cot, similar type of, you may prove it. Let us see in terms of cot. We'll go for the cot. Similar type. See in terms of cot what it becomes. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. See in terms of cot it is 3x. You see the bigger angle 3x. Now see the two smaller 2x and x converted. 2x and x converted. In the previous example, that 5x I have written, in terms of 7x I have written the two similar type of examples. You may convert like that. So here see the bigger angle 3x, the two smaller angles 2x and x. Let us considering let cot 3x is equal to 2x plus x. You should know cot x plus y formula. You should know cot of x plus y formula. See what is cot x plus y formula? Cot x cot y minus 1 cot y plus cot x. In the numerator opposite sign, in the denominator same sign. Let us, you may express like that. Cot 3x is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So it becomes cot x plus cot of 2x. Cot x plus cot of 2x it is. Same similar type you may cross multiply it. You will get the result here. Same type, similar type you may cross multiply it. You will get the result here. Similar type you may cross multiply it. See the students here. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplying here. Cot 2x cot x 1 into cot 2x cot x minus of 1 into minus 1 is equal to by multiplying by cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot of 2x. Let us arrange according to that your need here. This is cot x, cot 2x, this is the first term. Cot 2x, cot x as it is. You take these two terms this side. Here taking this term this side. First I will taking this term here. Minus cot 3x, cot 2x. This term taken this side. Positive, it becomes negative. This term also taking this side. Positive, this also becomes negative. Cot 3x, cot x. Cot 3x cot x. This minus 1 taking that side, it is plus 1. This minus 1 becomes plus 1. So this is about the cot 2x cot x minus cot 3x cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot of x. This is about the same similar type it is. You may express 5x as a 3x and 2x, 7x as a 4x and 3x. You may similar type of you may expand. Remember the students here. So this is once the same type, either in terms of tan or in terms of part. He may once asked in the CET examination also, your CET examination also, this type of question once asked it is. And for theory also once asked that in terms of tan. Then I will go for the next one. Let us, I will go for the next one. See the students, next one. Next example. Yes. Tan 4x equal to, prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus of tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 times of tan square x plus tan 4 of x plus tan 4 of x. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus of tan 4 of x plus of tan 4 of x. Now see the students. You may calculate this in the two ways. You may write it 2x plus 2x, writing that 2x formula, simplifying. Let us see one more. That alternative method you may get easily. LHS is equal to tan 4x you have to convert in terms of x. Shall I write this tan 4x as a, shall I write like that? Is it possible to write the students here? 2 times of 2x. Tan 2x form. It is in the form of tan 2x. Tan 2x. What is tan 2x? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. What is here? X. That x as a 2x. 2x. You may consider as a 2x. X as a 2x. Now let us write down in the form of that one. 2 times of tan x. What is x? 2x. Divided by 1 minus tan square of x. What is x here? 2x. Tan square of 2x. Tan square of 2x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square of 2x. 1 minus of tan square of 2x. So this is equal to 2 tan 2x. Now substituting in terms of x, you have to substitute in terms of x. Substituting in terms of x formula, 2x formula. So this is 2 as it is. What is tan 2x? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus, what here also tan 2x whole square it is, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square x. Then later converting 2x as a in terms of x, that a tan 2x formula, substituting in the formula. Simplification. This is your LHS, continued LHS here. LHS is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Shall I write it is 4, 2 into 2, 4 tan x, 2 into 2, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus of tan square x whole divided by 1 minus, this is 2 tan x whole square, 4 tan square x. This is 1 minus tan square x whole square. Yes, 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square of x whole square here. Taking LCM, 4 tan x in the denominator, taking LCM, in the denominator taking LCM, 1 minus tan square of x. In the denominator, what is the LCM here? 1 minus tan square x whole square LCM here. Then multiplying here, LCM you have taken 1 minus tan square x whole square into 1 minus tan square x whole square minus of 4 times of tan square of x. See the simplification, this one. See this simplification, students here. Just we have taken the LCM here. Once again I repeat that simplification. Once again I repeat that simplification, students here. See, this is 2x we have converted. 4x as a 2 times of 2x is taken in terms of 2x, this formula expanded here, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, here x as a 2x, then tan 2x formula substituted, both numerator and denominator here. Then what is tan 2x here? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Then here also 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. It is simplification. 2 into 2, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, simplification. Then here 1 minus tan square x whole square separately here. Then 4 tan square x simplified here, that is whole square taken both numerator and denominator. Then here LCM taken here, 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x here multiplied here, minus of 4 tan square x. Then see, this is 1 minus tan square x, this is 1 minus tan square x. Is it one of the term get cancelled here? This one of the term get cancelled, and this goes to the numerator. This term, denominator of a denominator, goes to the numerator. Shall I take directly numerator it is? So 4 tan x into, this comes to the numerator, 1 minus tan square x. 4 tan square into 1 minus of tan square x. This one of the term get cancelled here, denominator of both the denominator get cancelled, one term remain, that is denominator of a denominator, that goes to the numerator here, 1 minus tan square x divided by, see what I mean here, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus of 4 tan square x. Then you expand in the next step, then you will get the result. This is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Expanding the denominator, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2 tan square of x, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 4 tan square of x. Simplify here. So 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square of x. See, is it your RHS? See, this is your RHS or not? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. Same it is. Same terms it is. So this is about the tan 4x students here. This is about the tan of 4x. This is the tan 4x. The next come to the next one. Let us see one more example. We'll go for the one more example students. This is what? Tan of 4x. The next we'll go for the next one. Is it clear? I think this simplification it is tan 4x in terms of x. Simplification here, algebraic steps. Algebraic simplification here, both numerator and denominator, a minus b whole square expansion. Algebraic simplification students. The next, we'll go for the next one more example. Let us see the one more example. Let us see the one more example next. Similarly, let us see this example. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 times of sin square x into cos square x. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 times of sin square x into cos square x. Let us see the students here. Let us see this one. LHS is equal to cos 4x. See this one. LHS is equal to cos 4x. The tan 4x, this is cos 4x. Now see what you have to prove in terms of sin and cos you required students here. Cos 4x, similar type. Shall I write this is in terms of 2 times of 2x? Is it a 4x? 2 into 2x, 4x it is. What is cos 4x? You have a 4 different types of cos 2x formula. One in terms of cos square x minus sin square x. One in terms of 1 minus 2 sin square x. One in terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. And one in terms of tan. These are the 4 formulas here. Now see which one you have to substitute the students here. You see RHS, you will come to know which one you have to substitute. Either second one or third one. First one is not, fourth one is not. In the first, second and third, is it possible to take second formula because of 1 minus in terms of sin and cos you want. So if you take sin, then you have a sin in terms of sin and cos. Shall I write this is 1 minus 2 times of sin square of x. What is x? It is 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square of x. 1 minus 2 as it is. This is sin 2x. 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is a 2 sin x into cos x. Square it is. This 2 as it is. Sin 2x as a 2 sin x into cos x. This whole square as it is. 1 minus 2 into square it is. 4 sin square x into cos square x. 2 sin x cos x whole square. 4 sin square x into cos square x. This is equal to 1 minus 2 into 4, 8 sin square x, 8 sin square x into cos square x. Is it your, this is RHS? This is your RHS, students here. This is your RHS. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus of 8 sin square x into cos square x. See, this cos 4x what you have taken? 2 times of x. 6x, 2 times of 3x or 3 times of 2x if you have to convert in terms of 2x. You have the 3x formula and also 2x formula also. So this is, I have substituted this second form in terms of 2x. Here x has a 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then sin 2x formula substituted. Simplified, you will get the RHS. This is very, very simple it is. So like that you have to convert 4x, 6x, 8x, you may convert the students here. So with this, today's class, I conclude the students here. Let us go for some more examples in the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you.